How to get $60 Groupon promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you're going to find the search box. Type in Groupon promo code and search for it. Different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get a working promo code for Groupon. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm going to open Coupon Follow. After you open it, you're going to find amazing deals and offer. Just scroll and check 30% off, 10% off, $20 off, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you want to grab. Just click on it. So here is the code. You can copy it. Then click on Redeem at Groupon. You will be directed to the official website of Groupon. Now log into your account, make your purchase, and proceed to checkout. While in the checkout page, you'll find the section of code. Over there, paste your code and confirm your order. With that, you'll get the discount. Likewise, make sure to try out all the offers as well, because in this page, you're going to find tons of offers and deals. Lastly, make sure to go through these websites as well, because these websites will also provide you working promo code for Groupon. Well, this way you can easily get up to $60 Groupon promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.